Sirens are going off. Wind is picking up. Dark clouds moving in. Oh boy. Literally, you guys can literally hear the sirens. You guys can hear the sirens going off. And you can hear the sirens. Dark clouds are going through. Man. Absolutely nuts, dude. This is absolutely crazy. Man, look at the wind just blowing. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, look. Dark clouds. And wind is... Yeah. Ugh. Oh my god. Ugh. Oh my goodness. Man, this came out of nowhere. Literally, it was all nice. Seriously, guys. Let me tell you guys something. It was all nice and sunny. It was not long ago. It was all nice and sunny and beautiful. And now, literally out of nowhere, dark clouds moved in, winds blowing, sirens just went off. Yeah, I bet you guys heard it. Oh my god, dude. This just came out of nowhere. And it's supposed to start raining in a few minutes. So there's that as well. Oh my god. Here goes the wind again. Oh, it's blowing this way. Oh my lord. Just look at this. Literally. Oh my god, wind is blowing literally in... Oh my... Look! Trees everywhere! Look at this! Look at those trees! Oh my god! Oh my literal god! Oh my goodness, dude! So crazy! Hold up. Bro. It is blowing all crazy. Yo. Bro. Oh my. It's absolutely nuts. This wind is out of control. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh my. Stuff is flying in my eyes. Oh my goodness. Yo. Bro, stuff is flying in my eyes. Bro, I gotta step back. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, what is this? This is absolutely... Bro, these winds are out of control. This came out of nowhere, dude. This literally came out of super nowhere. Oh my god. Literally came out of nowhere. Wow. Absolutely nuts. Just look at the tree. Trees blowing everything. Oh my god. Yo, did you see that? The wind just knocked over that bin over there. I caught that on camera. Bro, that bin way over there just knocked over. Oh my god. Dude, the wind just knocked over that bin over there. I definitely... Oh my goodness, here we go again. Oh my god. Woo! Bro, this is insane. Wow. Absolutely nuts. Wow, this is absolutely crazy. Oh my god. Oh. Man. It's absolutely nuts. Bro. This came out of nowhere. This star came out of nowhere. Oh my goodness gravy. Whoa. See, out of nowhere, dude. Man, debris is flying everywhere. Literally debris is flying everywhere. Leaves are flying all over the place. Oh my goodness. I'm surprised it hasn't started raining. Oh, now it's starting to rain. Yep, now it's starting to rain. Yep, here we go. Here we go. Starting to rain. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Man, this is absolutely nuts, dude. Man, the camera's going on. Ugh. This literally came out of nowhere. Came out of nowheres. Now it's starting to rain. Oh man, dude. This is absolutely nuts. Let me go back out. Yup. Wow. Whoa, man, this is crazy. Absolutely incredible. I've never seen anything like it. Man, it is definitely raining now. Definitely feeling raindrops. Yeah, it's definitely raining. It's definitely raining now. Oh, yep, it's raining. It's raining. It's definitely raining. Oh my god. You guys probably can't see it, but it's just it's just drizzles. You guys can't see the rain, but it's just drizzles. It's just drizzling right now. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys... I'm gonna see if I could try to catch it on the camera. There's another plane. Like, just look at this. Look at the staircase thing. You see that? That's raindrops. Oh boy. I think the rain is starting to get a little bit more lighter. Oh my god. Man, rain is getting on my camera. Wow, this is absolutely nuts. Just look at the dark clouds over there. Man, this is absolutely nuts. Oh, there's the sun right there. Maybe it's scattered. Scattered showers, I guess? Man. Just look at the ground. You see that? There's raindrops. There's raindrops right there. There's raindrops. That's raindrops. Yep. Raindrops getting on the camera. You guys are... But seriously, this literally came out of literal nowhere, dude. Absolutely nuts. Like, you could see it on the camera. Man, I'm gonna go into the backyard and... Man. Let me go to the back. Man, my clothes are getting wet. But like, look at this. Look at this. You see that? Those are raindrops. It was raining. It was raining. Now there's rain on my camera. All right, I'm gonna go inside, guys. I'm gonna go inside and just end it here. Okay. Seriously, it's still going. It's still raining quite a bit. My camera's getting out of focus. There we go. Like if you could see it on the camera. Oh man. This literally came out of nowhere. Okay. Seriously, I don't know what that was. Like just blowing rain. Like just came out of nowhere. There's the sun right there. Yeah, let me go inside. Let me go inside.